feel like I gotta do a pull on his ass, y'all. Real quick.
Call shorty, she know we do. Cardio watch, I think I want to. Load up the app and search wrong smooth. Make sure you sub so you see them too. Shorty, she bad, I found me a boo. She said that she want me, well I want to too. I text her at 10 when I'm in the mood. She shaking it slow, she know what to do. Call shorty, she know we do. Cardio watch, I think I want to. Load up the app and search wrong smooth. Make sure you sub so you see them too. Shorty, she bad, I found me a boo. She said that she want me.
What's the deal, Smooth Gang? It's your boy Ron Smooth. We back with another banging video. Now today, you already can see, I ain't gotta say nothing. You see we in the red seats with the SCATPACK. So we're finna bring y'all another SCATPACK video. We're about to do some more pulls and shit. I think it's about like 74 today, so it is a good day. So get y'all a little quick video. Y'all went crazy with the last video, man. I appreciate all the love that y'all give me in the last video, man. So I'm gonna keep pushing these videos out. Just keep liking the sub and up, man. I like the support y'all giving. So without further ado, we about to get some gas. We about to get on the road. Let me get a little cold start. So we currently at the gas station right now. We getting gas. Trying to make sure the camera stick, but we getting gas right now. That's almost done. So when we get done getting gas, I'm gonna hit y'all when we on the road. We're now leaving the gas station. The miles jumped up a lot, so we should be straight on the gas with. Camera already shaking this shit already, man. Well, I thought it was about to start raining, man. That's one thing, man. Detroit got wishy-washy at it. Custom. We'll put in sport. Start off early with it. Put this bad boy down the block. I'm gonna have to hold the camera for this video. I don't know this video. I found the perfect spot for that. Okay, so now we're about to go out, ride finally. Hopefully the camera don't be moving like how it just was. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe if y'all didn't yet. You know, all my content is bangers. Try to do a pull right here. Get the video going early with it. Make sure no boys around. Niggas just smack fourth gear kind of quick on that one. Once we get down to the clear streets, I'll do another pull. Try to do a pull right here. In fact, we're going to track with it. We ain't about to pull up. This is school, right? This school's over here. So that check down. Mode. I really did one of those head cams so I could really go crazy with the head cam. That's why I get the best content. Okay, Unky on the 24s. So Unky seen up high today. They trying to act bad when the light out. content before the rain fully start. I can eat every raindrops coming down. Big ass raindrops. Guess we're shooting like this today. We go switch it to this because my camera bitch keep falling. Weak ass rain when it start this shit though, out of nowhere. I don't know, I'm still going this way then. It's starting to rain heavy out here, y'all. Guess we have a little fun though. Guess we have a little fun in the rain until we get put up. Y'all don't know, this is Mexico. Got a little sideways there, y'all. They got no traction. I'll go to Sport, because Sport got the traction off some.
Oh, that was different.
A custom, that bitch get too crazy. A custom get too crazy. Oh, this is normal weather for Detroit, man, if y'all don't know. Always wishy-washy with the shits. It was just 70, now I say it's raining and shit. Like, make your mind up. Started raining out of nowhere. Let's see if we get some traction to Eco real quick. Let's see. Get up here real quick. Got a little traction. Now when I was in Sport and I pulled up the gas station, we just straight spent. Street mode. Dad, we'll try to hit this block with some action. We ain't do too much, but we did a little something. Jeez. This area that's not raining in, shit. I'm staying in this area then. Do a little pull up here for y'all. Jeez. Got the windows a little bit. Get a little bit more sound with it. Cloudy out of nowhere, but at least it stopped running in this area. That's one good thing. See? The motherfucking speedboat, you gotta go up sideways and that motherfucker. Give you a little tip right there. Try that, let me know if that work out. You got a door, you see the closet and over if you can. Every block got speed bumps on it? What the fuck? That's so doo-doo. Now the sun wanna come back up. You see what I was saying, man? Detroit, it's like, I stopped talking right there. I thought I was about to escape my shit, but Detroit so wishy-washy with the weather. One day it wanna rain, One day I want to be sunny. Well, 1 second. I ain't gonna say one day. 1 second. Sheesh. We'll turn traction all of y'all. Y'all don't want that. Tell some y'all I don't want that. It's like, nah, I don't like to do that when it's a little wet. See, my windshield is gonna get wet too. I ain't gonna do it like that. It's a little hot. Niggas out there working and shit. I don't want them to look like this, man. It's a charger right around, sliding each corner, man. See, look, the speed bump, you gotta go that bit sideways. Ooh, let's see if we hear scrape. Nope, no scrape.
My nigga.
Cat that ran. Cat that ran. No scrape again. Okay, we on the road.
Ooh, damn.
3 speed bumps, no scrapes. We on the road with that one. Brakes come in handy. In a downshift, you gotta know the downshift. So you got pedal shifters, man. You learn to use these, man. It'll come a big save. Shift. Shift. You feel like it's getting too high? Shift. Well, I'm probably in the wrong gear. Tell me that one nice. Go to the track real quick. I got to the track for a minute. What's he coming this way? Do a little track pull across the street real quick. Make sure there's no traffic. That's what you gotta always do. Make sure there's no traffic. Then you have at it. Never use my red seats. As I said in the last video, red seats for the red freaks, you know.
What the hell did you just say?
Damn, bro, you gonna cock back like that? You gonna cock back my pull like that, man? Come on, man. You can't do that. And now you wanna start going last minute. Wow. For real. I feel like I gotta do a pull on your man. I feel like I gotta do a pull on his ass, y'all. Had to do a pull on his ass just because you wanna cock block my shit. Little bro right there, I should do a pull for him. That little bro. That's hard as time to get to that button. I mean, pedal extensions on that bitch. I can't even see what the sun look. The sun is way over this way then with the sunlight. Like, y'all see we in track. Oh, I see raindrops on my windshield. What's going on? Drop top, no roof. Dude, that's how I feel, bro. Everybody got the sunroof, but let me go these windows up a little bit. It's getting a little chilly out there.
fuck? Stop playing. What the fuck? Stop playing. What the fuck is that?
My uncle so twist this motherfucker. Uncle probably, what the hell this nigga doing behind me? Uncle probably, what the fuck this nigga on? He off some bad sort. What about the twist this up the block? These niggas wanna come down. You sound like a madman. Come on, man, you stop at my pool. Might put the gas. I'll do a little twist right here. Might just end the video off with a little twister. Oh, track that bitch get too much traction. Go to spot real quick. Spin the block. Gotta spin the block. This bitch get to the 100 kind of quick though, you feel me? Yeah, getting groceries, man, come on, stop playing. Get the gas for them back there, see how they react. Let's see. That's why I told your ass to go. And that's gonna wrap it up for this video. I'm gonna do a second part. I'm gonna do it again because the sun finally wanna come out now. Like, look at this. You see the sun come out? Ain't that some shit? But I'm at the big thing now too. Chill out for a minute. Then I'm gonna shoot another video. So if I got the same shirt on, don't cook. Motherfucker, I might just take this bitch off to the white beater room. Cause this is about to get a little hot out here, but like, comment, subscribe if you didn't yet. It's gonna be another part 2. Well, not a part 2, but another video that I'm gonna make. Me tripping again in the 392. Like, comment, subscribe if you didn't yet. It's your boy Ron Smooth. Catch y'all boys for the next video.